Hello, everybody. Uh,
Hello.
Hi, Sandra. I'm Helen from Sunflower Cottage Crochet. I'm here today with Sandra from SandraStitches. For those of you that have been following either of us for any period of time, you may remember that last year we did the From Us to You donation challenge, which was absolutely amazing, wasn't it, Sandra? We had a really great time last year with
Yes.
it.
And I think people really loved it, even though we took a small break in the middle and everybody was asking, when are you back? When are you back? We want the patterns.
Yes. Well, the good news is that we are back for 2025 and we have scheduled to do it for the whole year. So there won't be a break this year. So for those of you that are new from the From Us to You donation challenge event that we're running, basically the way it works is every month on the second and the fourth Wednesday of the month, there will be a brand new pattern where you can get the PDF for that pattern as a free download, but only for 3 days. If you miss the 3-day free download, the pattern will always be free on our blogs. So you'll always be able to get it and join in at any point. But also, if you want to sign up to our emails or join our community Facebook groups, then you'll not miss a single pattern that comes. I mean, no obligation to, but if you want to, the opportunity is there and we'd love to have you. So yes, so that's what happened last year. Last year, Sandra and I both did our own roundups for this event. We'll pop links to last year's in the description, but this year we're running it ever so slightly differently, aren't we, Sandra?
Yeah,
We've kind of niched down a little bit and made it a little bit more streamlined. Do you want
yeah,
to explain to people what the tweaks are this year?
yeah. So we thought that we wanted to get a kind of a theme. And also, we really would love if people would recognize our patterns after they donate them and they work them and, and maybe gift them. So we decided that each month we are going to have a specific stitch and a hat and a scarf. And both are going to be worked in that stitch. Not like last year that each one of us made something randomly, what we loved, which was amazing as well. But this year we want to make it a little bit more structure. And also we are going to include a video tutorial for each stitch. And because we have Helen, and she's a master in video tutorials, and she can make left hand and right hand, so it's going to be amazing. So each month, a hat and a scarf and a video tutorial in one specific stitch. And also, what we thought, um, we will make as I said, a theme. So in each pattern, it's going to be, each design is going to be in a specific color. We are both going to make it in the same color, and it's going to have a white stripe somewhere in the design. So you can recognize this is one of the From Us to You Crochet Donation Challenge patterns. Am I missing something, Helen?
Um,
I
no,
think,
I don't think so.
yeah,
The roundup, we're only going to have one roundup this year. You're going to host it for the first 6 months of the year, aren't you? So
yes.
everybody will just go to Sandra's blog post from January to the end of June, and then from July to September, I'll host the roundup.
To December, from July to December,
Yeah.
we'll host, yes. You just said September.
Oh, did I? Oh, sorry.
And also, we will split the video tutorials for the first half year, first 6 months. Helen will film the video tutorials, and for the last 6 months, I will film the video tutorials. So you all will get used to my English accent and my explanations in English. Um, Yeah, I think it's going to be amazing. And another thing that we thought we will do at the end of the year, we will have an ebook with all the patterns that maybe if you would like to purchase, or we'll see how it goes by the end of the year. But we have plans,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, and it's going to be such fun. And I love that this year, even though we're each having our own individual designs and we're going to have our own little twist on those designs, that each month there's the consistency there of the stitch and the white stripes, so that these two patterns together will make a really cute set if people want to make sets of hats and scarves as well. So by the end of the year, you'll have 12 beautiful sets.
Yes. Which, if you think about it, you can start thinking about your Christmas next year gifts and plan for them with these sets, whatever. And also, of course, this is a donation challenge, so we would really love it if you make one for donation and show us and share in our groups. There is going to be links to both of our groups, free Facebook groups, so you can share your creations during the challenge. And, we love to see that. It's always so much fun.
It absolutely is. It's going to be amazing. But
Yeah.
thank you very much for wanting to do this again with me this year, Sandra. Last year
Oh,
was a
thank
blast,
you. Yeah,
and
we
I
have
think this year is going to be even more spectacular.
great. So we hope you all enjoy it and come to the ride with us. We are having fun anyway. So come and join us.
Yes, absolutely. Everybody's welcome. Beginners, experienced crocheters, it doesn't matter. We are here to help you. So if you're brand new to crochet and you want to give it a go, then please do join us. If you're a more experienced crocheter, just looking for a way to maybe use your odd skeins of yarn in your stash or whatever it happens to be, absolutely, these patterns are going to be for everybody. So we hope that you enjoy it as much as we do. And we look forward to seeing what you create.
Yeah. All
Awesome.
right.
Okay, well, Sandra and I will be popping live in our groups randomly throughout the year to find out how we're going with each of the patterns. I know you've just released the first pattern for January, haven't you, Sandra?
Yes,
Which,
you can all go and see. We'll put the link. It's the ice cold scarf, and it's worked with the herringbone double crochet stitch, which is amazing anyway, whatever you do with it. And as I said, there is a video tutorials for right hand and left hand that you can go and watch if you need an extra help with the stitch. And yeah, and you can still, it's going to be the PDF free download until Friday. So whenever you watch this, make sure if it's on the timeline for the free PDF or not.
yeah, Friday the 10th of
The
January.
10th, yes,
Yeah,
of
and
January.
that'll be until 11:59 p.m.
Yes,
EST.
yes.
So fantastic. Well, we hope to see you all soon. We'll be checking in soon to see how everybody's getting on. And thank you very much, Sandra.
Thank you, Helen, and we'll see
Don't
you.
forget to check out the links in the descriptions.
Yeah, down there. Bye.
Bye.